Great. Let's walk through each part in a structured, real-world way, as if you're designing and deploying an AI-powered support agent in Salesforce Agentforce Service Cloud. 1. Build an agent that answers questions based on knowledge articles. Steps to build a knowledge-grounded AI agent, Einstein Bot. Step 1. Prepare Salesforce Knowledge Base. Create and publish knowledge articles under Knowledge Articles. Tag articles with relevant data categories, topics, and set visibility to internal, external as needed. Step 2. Enable Einstein Bots. Go to Service Setup, Einstein Bots, Enable Einstein Bots. Click New Bot, use template, e.g. customer service, or start from scratch. Step 3. Configure bot dialogues. Add search knowledge action inside the dialogue. This action uses user input to query articles. You can filter by topic, category, or product. Optional, add send message action to show the search result to the user. Snippet link. Use fallback dialog when no articles are found. Step 4. Test and activate. Use bot preview tool to simulate a conversation. Validate that the bot fetches correct articles based on common questions. Activate the bot once tested. Result. Your bot will now respond with relevant answers using your actual knowledge articles. 2. Connect an agent bot to a digital channel. Use case connect bot to web chat can be adapted for WhatsApp, SMS. Step by step. Step 1. Enable messaging or chat. Navigate to Service Setup, Messaging Settings, or Chat Settings. Add your preferred channel, e.g. web chat, WhatsApp. For web, configure embedded service deployment. For WhatsApp SMS, use messaging channel configuration. Step 2. Add bot to messaging channel. In Service Setup, Einstein Bots, click your bot channel tab, add it to a channel. Select your existing channel configuration, chat or messaging. Save. Step 3. Embed on website if web chat. Copy the code snippet from the embedded service deployment. Paste it into the HTML of your website in the footer or appropriate section. Step 4. Test. Interact with the chatbot through the deployed channel. Bot should answer based on knowledge article lookups. Hack 3. Given a scenario, identify the correct generative AI feature in Agentforce for service. Here are example scenarios and which Einstein generative AI feature you would use. Scenario: correct generative AI feature. Why? A service rep receives a long case with multiple back and forth messages and needs a quick summary. Case summarization summarizes the entire case conversation automatically. An agent starts replying to a customer and sees a list of suggested full replies to send. Einstein Reply Recommendations suggests complete, context-aware replies based on AI. A customer types a question into the web portal and gets a direct answer, not just a link to a KB article. Einstein Search Answers extracts and summarizes the most relevant section of a KB article. An incoming case is automatically tagged as high priority and routed to a billing team. Einstein Case Classification and Routing uses ML to classify and route based on case data. An agent uses a copilot to get next steps and draft emails while working a complex case. Einstein Copilot for Service, AI assistant that helps agents with summaries, actions, and next messages. Next summary. Task, feature, build knowledge-grounded bot, Einstein Bots knowledge search, connect to digital channel, digital engagement, chat, WhatsApp, SMS, answer customer in channel, embedded service or messaging, Gen AI for agents, Einstein reply suggestions, case summary, Copilot, routing cases intelligently, Einstein classification and omni-channel.